I hated ACCA, just to let you know, in the beginning, when the ACCA became famous. Because I think half of the people I saw in ACCA, they were with massive beards. Half of them have 4 kids. And they couldn't finish the ACCA. They couldn't. And I said, this is not the lifestyle I want. I don't want to grow old studying. But now it has changed. It has changed. I have got like 6 or 7 ACCA with me in my family, very close to me. My younger brother who taught here as well, yes, in Mirchawala, Afnan, my younger brother, he did his ACCA from here. He's got a job in one of the top companies in the United Kingdom, making £209,000 per annum. He must have sat on a different institute of Mirchawala. And another person who takes £430,000 per annum, because they're both my client. That's the reason I know their salaries. Not as if I'm bragging the salaries. And he is a student, full-fledged student of Mirchawala. And I'm not bragging about Mirchawala. There's loads of institute out there. Loads of institute. But I've traveled with Mustafa to different part of Europe. The alumni of Mirchawala are amazing. I saw wherever he goes, he finds someone over there. I live in the United Kingdom. I'm there for the last 27 years. I've been my university Muslim Federation chairman, Asian Federation chairman, Student Council's chairman. I have these 3 titles for God knows 6 years. People doesn't know me that well, but they know Mustafa. They know all his brothers. You can't walk with them on the street because someone will find them. Say, sir. Okay, wow. It's embarrassing for me. Sometimes people don't know me. I live over there. And I come on the channels and stuff like that. Only old people, lots of aunties, lots of uncles knows me very well. Because lots of aunties and uncles actually watches those channels where I usually come from. Okay. That's it. They're my fans. I like them. I love them. So it's important for you, and it's not easy, guys. Honestly speaking, it is not easy. This journey is not going to be easy for whatever you're about to do. And if you really want to land yourself in the United Kingdom, it has gotten difficult than it's ever been. But it's not impossible. The skill you're about to gain is the golden ticket for all of you. Believe me. If you end up doing this, most of the girls must be thinking, oh, मेरा तो रिश्ता हो जाएगा किसी UK वाले से, मैं तो वैसे ही चली जाऊंगी. I'm a mind reader. Someone must have spoken about this, and I can read this.